us a very long time to arrange this.
Yes.
And at a point, it seems like it's not going to happen.
Yes.
But we actually thank God so much that today we've made history. We are here in Westminster Cathedral. It's the cream of the Catholic Church. And we have to give thanks to the main organizers who are the focus, AFAM and Megan Clements. They have done well. They are group, we supported them. We are a committee of friends and we supported them. And they've done great job. And I will always have my hands up for them. And we have got more to come. So today is only the beginning. Today is only the beginning. And I thank God for the mercy and for the possibility.
Of course, I'm very happy with the way things went. Also extremely happy about the turnout.
Yes.
People really responded despite of the cold weather.
Yes.
And even a bit of rain threatening initially. You know, so but people, the turnout obviously is a testimony to the way people really feel about Odumegwu. And I'm so happy people share the same positive feeling about him as I do.
Yes.
So thanks everybody, and I also thank you also because I noticed how conscientious you've been in your job.
Thank you very much.
He's done us good, his name will remain forever. Thank God for today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I am overwhelmed at the response of the Nigerian community in the UK to fill somewhere like Westminster Cathedral with Nigerians that has a seating capacity of well over 1,000 people was truly awesome. And what a send-off for an icon of Nigeria, an icon in the world actually, of peace, someone who stands up for the downtrodden. He will be deeply missed and our condolences go out to the family. Just to introduce myself, my name is Greg Avani and I am the President of Ebonyi State Union in the UK.